I have my September Glossybox subscription to share with you. I'm so excited to see what is in this box. Gorgeous, beautiful quality. Let me tell you a little bit about Glossybox just in case you've never received it or signed up for it. It's a monthly subscription. Beautiful way for you to treat yourself every month, and you get 5 beauty items with over like $80 value. Before we dive into this video, I will leave a playlist also of my previous Glossybox unboxings if you would like to see, and this is the US version, so keep that in mind. Before we get started, I want to say thank you to Glossybox for sending this over to me. The video is not sponsored, and I also have a discount code for you if you would like to use it. You will get your first box for $16, an incredible price for you to try like name brands that maybe you've never had an opportunity to purchase before. It's a combination of drugstore and high-end as well. The code is Jenny16 if you would like to purchase your first box for $16. Here is the beautiful box, so we open it up. And look how nicely wrapped this comes. Even if you wanted to give this as a gift, like, wouldn't you want to give a gift like this? Like, it's already wrapped. It looks beautiful. Oops. Just have a pamphlet which tells us all the products we're getting. That was a little sneak peek. I don't want to look yet. And look at this. They're going to come out with an advent calendar. I would have loved to see what they have. 27 beauty products worth over $550, and it's featuring brands like Glow Recipe, LMS, Victor and Rolf, and it says subscribers get priority access and a $10 discount on sale September 16, so just a few days away. Glossybox.com. I will leave it's in the description, the link to the website and the discount code. You don't have to use the discount code if you don't want, but it's there if you like. Let's unwrap this. Let's unwrap this and see what we have. I love that you get like deluxe size items. Sometimes you do get a full size as well, but like, let's say you don't like a product or you don't want to be stuck with the full size of it. What is this first thing I see here? Oh my god, look how cute. This is good sizes. This is not like a miniature. This is a good size item. This is the Stress Check Clean Hands No Rinse Formula. Alright, so the brand is This Works. Keep your hands clean anywhere you go. This hydrating hand gel with 70% purifying alcohol, hard-working hyaluronic acid, and a super blend of lavender, chamomile, and neroli will make your hands clean, safe, and moisturized. Whenever you can get to soap and water, this travel size retails for $6. The full size is $15. Love that you can like fill it back up. Let's say you use this. Let me just put some on right now. I'm always buying stuff like this. All right, let's just see how it feels on the hands. You know, you want to see if it feels sticky, feel moisturizing, and once it dries, that's it. It's dried. Like, you don't feel like you have anything on. It is a bit scented. Swear, like, I think of this and I'm like, this is just like a perfect gift. A perfect gift. Here, we have these 2 pouches. And it is a mushroom cocoa mix. Thin hot chocolate. Oh, that's cool. So it says, mix 1 packet with 4 ounces of hot water. And then that's if you want it hot. If you want it iced, it's mix 1 packet with 4 ounces of warm water and add ice and let chill. So this says chocolate, cinnamon, dairy free. Made in the US with foreign ingredients. I like hot chocolate and I'll definitely give this a try. Who knows? Never heard of this brand. You'll experience a relaxing evening and a better night's rest. 2 packets worth $4, 10 packs worth $20. Is by the brand Terra de Mars. I have used this before, so I can tell you firsthand how it works, at least for me. And this retails for $23. This is a full size. Like I said, most of the time you get at least 1 full size item and the rest are great sizes. Clean and refresh your skin while nourishing, toning, and protecting it at the same time. This organic, low foaming, aromatic cleansing gel which is suitable for all skin types, is infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee, rosemary extract, verbena oil, and aloe. So I have tried this before. If you have super sensitive skin, this is definitely for you. This doesn't really have foaming. It's super, super gentle. I personally like, I don't know. It's just too gentle for me, and I feel like I have to use way too much. Definitely be giving this one away, but the scent is delicious. I just love the scent. It's so good, super relaxing. This, and this is Deli Concepts Hammam Mitt. Detox and refresh your skin with a youthful glow made for your body. This cloth cleanses and exfoliates at the same time. It detoxifies, rehydrates, and nourishes without stripping and drying out your skin so you can feel your best. This retails for $14. This is a full size. So look at that. We have already 2 full size items. Let me just see this. Oh my god, that is so cool. Tell, like it would exfoliate. I don't know if you can see the material there, but it'll definitely exfoliate. Clinically allergy and dermatologist tested for all skin types. Okay, wet your skin and wet the Daily Hammam Mitt. Apply your favorite cleanser to the Daily Hammam Mitt, then cleanse and exfoliate your body. I can't wait to try this. I'll definitely try. I love bath stuff. I don't know why. I'm obsessed. I have super sensitive skin. Like, just try to be gentle, but you can definitely see that it's gonna exfoliate your skin. Made in Mexico. We have 6 items here. And I have here, look at this. I mean, you have here things for your hands, your body, to drink. Like David's Natural Toothpaste. This is a deluxe mini. Refreshing your breath with this premium sustainable toothpaste designed to naturally whiten, remove plaque, and freshen breath. David's is made with naturally sourced and naturally derived ingredients to elevate your health and oral care. Your teeth will be whiter in no time. Deluxe Mini retails for $4.95. Full size is $9.95. This is a 1.75 ounce, and it says natural peppermint essential oil blend. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, okay, look at this. Perfect for traveling. Let's open this up and see. So it comes nicely sealed, so you would just have to puncture it. I'm gonna do it because I'm gonna try this today. Ooh, oh my god, that smells so refreshing, like super minty. I love that. It's fluoride free, proudly made in America. So just so you know, if you prefer fluoride, no fluoride, this has no fluoride. This, I think, is the most expensive thing in this box. Staxanthin, oh my god, I'm sorry but I'm not pronouncing this properly. Staxanthin collagen all-in-one gel. Just when I hear gel, I get super excited because I have oily skin and gel works much better for me than lotion. And this is a full size. This lightweight facial moisturizer tones, hydrates, and brightens skin in one step. It's powered by astaxanthin, natural antioxidant proven to be 6,000 times more effective than vitamin C and 550 times more powerful than vitamin E in eliminating free radicals that cause premature aging. This retails for $49. This is cruelty-free and vegan. So it says, after cleansing, pat dry and smooth evenly over face. And this is made in Japan. This is a 4.2 ounce. God, this thing is beautiful. Do you see that? And just everything about it sounds amazing. So you're getting a bunch of full-size items. Like, imagine the box is worth $21 with the code 16, but $21 you usually pay for the box. This alone is $49. Like, you're getting way more than what you paid for, you know. You're definitely getting your money's worth. Alright, so here you go. You can open it up. I like how it comes. Oh, I don't know. It just looks really good to me. I can't wait to try this out at night. At night is when I do most of my skincare. Put it on just to see how it looks. See if my arm will look like shiny or something. This is the difference. So you can just see it looks more like, I don't know, moisturized. So I love trying new moisturizers. I can't wait to give this a go. I think these three were my favorite products, which was the mitt to exfoliate in the shower. I have a hand sanitizer, and I have this super luxurious new moisturizing gel. I am excited for this. I do prefer fluoride in my toothpaste, but I'll still use this, you know. And this, I'll definitely give it away because, like I said, is way too gentle for me, and I thought I had to use a lot, you know. That's just me. You can love this. And I'll definitely want to try some cocoa. The fall is coming here in New York, so I'm super excited for that. So thank you again, Glossybox. Super excited every time I receive this, and definitely check them out. If you love skincare, beauty, give it a go. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.